Nice to meet you. But you haven't told about your name.
My name is
Ja?
Yes.
Oh, Ja?
Yes.
Oh, your name very difficult for me to pronounce.
Oh, man, Hmong.
Oh, yeah. Ja?
Oh, yes.
So, would like to drink some water?
Sure.
And you like something thank you.
No.
What's your meaning? I have this. This is my meaning.
Okay. Yeah, it's your man.
You like to eat?
Let's see first. Fish, papaya slab, sticky rice, chicken soup.
So you like papaya salad?
Okay. I think papaya slab. Yeah. And fish and sticky rice
And water?
and some water to drink.
Okay, me too. Now I feel fine.
Okay. Okay, we wait for you. Okay.
Okay. We're so hungry.
Oh, the weather here is so hot.
Yes, the weather is also very hot.
So in my country, it's very cold.
Oh, very cold. Oh,
Yeah.
so
And it's snowing too.
oh, snowing.
This is you like papaya slab.
Okay, thank you.
Order.
Oh, okay. Do you know anything for a chopstick? So do you have to use this?
No, we never use it.
Okay.
Hey, let's join us.
Oh,
Okay.
oh,
Yeah. No, you don't have to do that. It's your restaurant.
Yes.
You have to join us.
Now have decide how make happy to sit down at my restaurant. Now they are hungry.
Okay. So how, do you know how to use it?
No.
So
Pretty sure. Okay, I can tell you.
So the chopstick we can use this and use the papaya slab and eat. Okay.
It's spicy.
You like it?
I like it, but very spicy.
Okay.
try.
Yeah, let's try it.
It's great.
Oh, yes, it's great.
You like it? So you like it?
You okay? Your friend must put a lot of chili.
Okay,
Very
maybe.
spicy.
Yeah.